On the editing table leg. Note, align the small block vertically with the leg hole. Secure with hex screws. Attach casters to the other end of the leg. Repeat for the remaining legs. Mount all assembled legs onto the editing panel. Secure with Phillips screws. Assemble 2 longer basket frames and 1 shorter frame. Ensure the grooves on the frames align. Ensure the grooves on the frames align. Place the basket between the 4 legs. Secure with hex screws. After securing, insert the basket base along the grooves. Then install the remaining short basket frames. It's recording. Flip the editing desk over, retighten the leg screws to finish the assembly.